Blueberry muffins with a blueberry streusel topping. Wait, no, blueberry. Again. Hey, my name is Caitlin, and this week on Things to Bake, I am making blueberry muffins with a streusel topping. Now, the topping is completely optional, but trust me, it makes a huge difference and they taste amazing. First thing is to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. The ingredients you will need for the muffins are 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of blueberries, half a cup of canola oil, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour to coat the blueberries in, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 eggs. Ingredients you'll need for the streusel topping are 1 cup of flour, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a cup of melted butter. You will also need 1 1/3 cup of blueberries to put on top of the muffins before you put the streusel on.
Oh, good.
For the streusel topping, mix together the flour, sugar, and cinnamon. Next, add the melted butter and mix that together until little crumbs form. Oops. Mix together until it looks a little something like this. Oh my god, I'm spread that shit on toast. That's delicious. Moving on to muffins. First step is to mix together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, mix together the yogurt, canola oil, vanilla, and eggs. I forgot. No! I completely forgot to write down that there's supposed to be 1 cup of sugar in the muffin mixture. I was a little suspicious of it, never looked into it, read the instructions, and it says to add the sugar. And I said, what sugar? And then I reread the recipe and there's sugar in it. Oopsie-daisy. So, 1 cup of granulated sugar coming right up. Sugar. Mix the eggs and sugar together. Then add the yogurt, oil, and vanilla. Once you got a little something that looks like this, add it to the dry mix. Mix that up. Tastes like flour. Delicious. Next, take the blueberries and the flour and mix them up a bit. Add that to the batter and fold in by hand. Next, scoop the batter into lined muffin pans, making sure each one is about 2/3 full. Next step is to grab the blueberries and put them on top. And lastly, put the streusel on top. Drop the heat down to 375 and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Once you take them out of the oven, let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes and then enjoy. Really good.